So hello Shilpa ma'am, hello Sonakshi ma'am.
Hello.
Welcome to NS.
Thank you.
First of all, congratulations for Jatadhara that's about to release on 7th of November. My question is to both of you. While working on this film, it's a different world altogether. You know, action is very stylized. You did action in Akira, but this is something very different from what you have done earlier. Same goes for you. You know, again a different world, different narrative. The tone is pitched a little higher. How was it getting one with the universe of the film, one with your own characters, and how did you navigate that path as you moved along? Anyone can take the lead and start.
Well,
बताइए मैम.
no, so for me, it was, like you correctly said, it's very different to what I've played in my previous movies but I think the directors had such a clear vision of what they wanted to shoot. When they narrated the script to us, it was very, very clear that this is how it is going to be, and we did nothing different. It was not that when we landed up on the set, it was totally different, differently shot or differently set. So as an actor, somewhere down the line, we knew exactly what we were getting into. Obviously, there is a switch on, switch off button that we use every day in our lives. We don't carry anything home. And luckily for us, this film was all shot in a single schedule. So it was very easy to go on set, perform as per the director's vision, and then just come home and kind of sleep well.
Okay.
And yes, you're right, there is a different world, but it's a matter of, I think for every actor, when you do a character, you just leave it there and nikal jate, you know, like that. You don't tend to sit over it and think, oh, acha aise bhi hota hai, acha waise bhi hota hai, because at the end of the day, it's all written.
Yeah.
It's not something that we've experienced or anything like that. So,
Okay. And was it very easy or difficult to cleanse your system out of this character?
well, I know how to cut my cords, so yeah, there was no cleansing of the system. And like I said, you know, shooting karke, when you come home, you just, and I think you're so tired as an actor, doing what you're doing,
Mentally
कि
and
घर
physically
आके
both,
you
yeah.
just want to sleep.
Yeah.
There's no time to process कि अच्छा मैं कल और क्या अलग करूँगी. There's nothing like that.
Okay. And how about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I think being a part of a world like this was very exciting to me, first of all, as an actor, which is why I agreed to do the film. And वहाँ पहुँचते जिस तरह का the world that they've created and how the story has been woven into so many different things like folklore, a little bit of mythology, a little bit of mystery, a little bit of thrill, a little bit of supernatural elements. जिस तरह से इन सारी चीज़ों को मतलब एक फिल्म में बांधा गया है, I thought that was very, very interesting. And as an actor, for me to do a role which is so different, that was the draw for me in this film.
Okay. And you did a supernatural film in a very quick succession. Before that, it was Kakura, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Kakura, and then I did Nikita Roy, and then
Yeah.
I've done this. I think this supernatural genre is sticking
was
my liking
walking
to
in,
me.
walking out like a cakewalk for you? A
For
moonwalk?
me, it is generally is because I'm a, like she said, a switch on, switch off actor. I don't take my work home. Set पर जो होती हूँ मैं वो होती हूँ, जो character मुझे होना होता है मैं वो होती हूँ. घर आके मैं I'm myself. So it's not that big of a thing कि you know I take my character home with me and I live with it and I don't want to
And
say
I
that I
think-
do.
yeah, and I think
हर
it's
किसी
very,
का method अलग-अलग होता
Yeah.
है
True.
and each to their own. Yeah.
True. Okay. And this reminded me of what Shah Rukh sir had said years ago. I think it was during the time of My Name is Khan. He said that to get it right is something an actor can do, and it can turn out very boring. He said that the fun lies in going wrong, in treading off the path, because then you could. It opens up a new world for you. You know, going
Yeah.
wrong, then coming back, making minor tweaks, streamlining it.
Absolutely. But how else do you learn? You learn by making
Yeah.
mistakes, no? और कैसे
Yeah,
सीखोगे
yeah,
आप? I mean, बचपन में भी वही होता है जब बच्चा गिरता है तो वो सीखता है ना तो उठना. So I feel that applies to every phase of life and every profession you know that people are in. So it's nice also. It keeps things exciting.
Yeah.
the learning process I feel should never stop.
Yeah, true.
जिस दिन आपको लग गया कि I know everything, वो आपका मतलब
End.
आप खत्म हो चुका है, घर जाओ बैठो. तो I feel the learning process should never get over, and I feel we're in such a profession that every day
is a learning.
you learn something new.
Absolutely. So, but what I meant to ask was that are you obsessed with getting it right from the get-go, or right off the bat, both of you?
How can you get it right? Like she said that, as actors, every film that is offered to you, even if she's done supernatural films before, this has been a challenge in her own way for her as an actor. So it's never getting it right.
Yeah.
You're always, in fact, challenging yourself कि मैं और अलग क्या करूँ? So I think that getting it right is like telling yourself कि मुझे सब पता है. I've got it right this time. I have nailed it. So it's not the right approach also to your work.
I agree completely. But it's also like, what do you say? Like, it's so much added pressure, na? What is right?
Yeah, we don't know.
What is right for you might not be right for me. What is right for me might not be right for my director. So whose right are we talking about?
Yeah, true.
As an actor, you have to go in and perform to the best of your ability. आपको जो समझ में आया character के बारे में आप वो करो.
Correct.
You know, so it's a very relative term, I think, getting it right. Yeah. And you never know what works, what doesn't work.
It comes out magic of
अगर
the
work
moment.
हो गया तो लोग बोलेंगे she got it right.
Yeah.
अगर work नहीं हुआ तो लोग बोलेंगे
क्या करेंगे?
इसने ना कुछ तो गलत किया. She didn't get it right.
Correct.
Exactly.
तो ये work not work पे right और wrong हो जाता है.
वो release के दिन पता चल जाएगा. Did we get it right?
Right or
no?
Okay, and we were talking about the learnings in this industry and this profession as we go along. Now again, this question is open to both of you. You have been in the industry for so long. You have literally seen the industry changing and evolving with the time. The way industry functioned in the 90s is very different from what it is today. There are corporates, handling the entire structure of the film, from the pre-production to the film when
Release.
release in the theaters. I mean, it's a whole clockwork that goes into making and releasing films. In that sense, how has the actor in you evolved? And for you, again, close to 15 years in the industry, how has that journey been for you? Going through this change.
So I basically feel we all have to change with times. If we need work, if you want to work in today's times, you have to change with time. You cannot come with your baggage of what you've done then and how different. You can't give people gyan anymore because, like you said, that there's an entire new world outside, and where we are looking for work or seeking for work and wanting to be a part of that world. So we have to somewhere down this line say that, you know what, I'm an actor, you're a director, or you're a producer, or you're a DOP, and you do your work, I'll do my work, and then the film works out correctly. Because there's no point in saying कि मैं इतने साल से काम कर रही हूँ, मुझे पता है ये एंगल गलत है. ये बोल ही नहीं सकते. मतलब बोलना ज़रूरी नहीं है. अगर पता भी चले, आज मॉनिटर्स है, सब देख सकते हैं. And then when your team becomes understands you as an actor, or you understand that technician's value, then you can discuss saying कि, I think this can be done this way, and then things are different. But if you go with the mindset that, what, the world has changed, but I'm going to bring what I know on the table, I think you'd rather sit at home. So that's my point of view.
And I think that goes very well. You mentioned about the camera angles. Now, getting it wrong, maybe sometimes, again, it can open up a new door. Like for a shot which is surreal, you need a Dutchpan. You can't go with a dolly in. It won't create that effect in that sense. And for you, how was it for you navigating this path as the industry evolved and the acting
honestly, I came in at a time where a lot of changes were just coming into effect in terms of like social media, in terms of like pap culture, in terms of film se digital ho raha tha. So my first film I shot on a film, and uske baad it just became actually in the middle only, I think it became. No, Dabang I shot on digital, and the only film I shot on film was Lutera.
Oh, okay.
So that whole transition had happened. So all these monitors and all already aa chuke the. So for me, that's my
Very
way
easy,
of no. It was like, matlab, उसमें ही मैं बड़ी हूँ as an actor, as a
Correct.
person.
Yeah.
Everything I've learnt on set, and so these things were already there by then. So I guess that's just the way I know it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know how it was, you know, in her time. She's been such a huge star. I mean, हर film में शिल्पा शिरोडकर थी at one point of time. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And like she's done so much work at a time where it was digitally not so convenient.
Correct.
You know, so to speak.
Of course.
And by the time I came in, everything was like, मतलब हाथ पे you can see the monitor, you can see retake, मतलब जितने भी take करने कर लो.
It's so easy to be right today.
film
Do the right thing.
waste नहीं हो रहा है,
Correct.
reel
Yeah.
waste नहीं हो रहा
Yeah,
है,
yeah, yeah.
तो करो जितने take करने हैं, क्या करना है, मतलब I just started working at a point like that, and so far in the 15 years I would say that things have pretty much been like that, and yeah, I think a lot more new changes are now also starting to come in, but we have to adapt.
Technology-wise,
Yeah,
there's lot of
technology-wise
new
and all.
things
Like
that are
look at the
coming.
VFX that
Yeah,
we're doing
absolutely.
nowadays. Imagine a film like this
Yeah.
being made in such a short span of time. You know, a lot of technological changes are happening, and but you just have to just adapt with the times, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. And coming back to the film, you know, this whole pan-India film movement, it started much earlier. We have seen films of Rajni sir, Kamal sir,
Exactly, yeah.
but it gained prominence more so after Bahubali. You know, every third film is now pitched to the audience across the India. Now, when you're making a film with that mindset, does it add up to the pressure as a performer कि यार मेरी एक set audience के beyond जाके I have to perform and hook or appeal to the audience?
It's actually quite exciting for me, at least. You're like, I don't want, like I said, I don't want to take any added pressure, but I'm also very excited about the fact that I'll be reaching a whole new audience. You know, and एक ऐसी audience जहाँ पर वो मतलब अगर आपके साथ जुड़ गए as an actor, तो वो एकदम loyal रहते हैं, एकदम जुड़ी जाते हैं. So it was very exciting for me to be a part of an industry like that, where you know, like I can showcase a side of me which they also want to see.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, so it's fun.
Okay. And how's it for you, ma'am?
Yeah, I think it's the same. There is, you know, the excitement quotient is much, is more, but there's no pressure as an actor. The excitement is that, oh my God, I'm going to be visible
Yeah.
in a different
larger
region,
set of eyes,
you know,
yeah, yeah.
of the industry. And like she said, there's so much of love and respect for the work that you have done that they look at you also differently.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
so yeah, it's quite exciting, the journey.
Okay. And taking further from that, you know, when you work on a film like Jatadhara, you know, you have artists practically from every corner of India coming in, you know, adding their own inputs. What is that cross-pollination of art and the artists for you as actors like?
The more the merrier, I guess.
Yeah.
You know, we work with such wonderful artists. You get to learn so much from each and every one. Everybody has their own
Story to tell.
Story to tell,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly. And for me, I think that's the best part about working with people from, you know, different regions, different languages, different
Cultures and
industries,
communities, yeah.
cultures, communities. Yes, I think you just get to learn so much, and I feel that really adds to your being a good actor.
Yeah,
True.
absolutely.
You just have to sit and observe people, listen to them, listen to their stories. आपको कब पता नहीं कैसा रोल मिल जाए, शायद उनकी स्टोरी आपको काम आ जाए
Yeah,
उस वक्त.
absolutely.
You know, so it's very important to be a good listener and observer. I feel, you know, to be a good actor. So
Yeah.
it's nice to work with a whole lot
New
of people.
bunch, yeah.
Okay. And for my last two questions, first is for you, ma'am. फिल्में तो आपकी बहुत सारी है, but one of my most favorites is Gopi Kishan.
Yeah,
It's
my favorite
highly
was
entertaining
Zaki.
film, and I think it was that film which, in a way, told the audience that, you know, Sunil Shetty sir could perform or pull off comedy with absolute finesse. It was the precursor to Hera Fairy in many ways in terms
Yeah.
of comedy. What are your fondest memories of working on that film?
गोपी किशन इज माई फेवरेट एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट अगर हमारे टाइम में सोशल मीडिया का थोड़ा भी और हाथ होता तो वो फिल्म बहुत बहुत अलग ही लेवल पे लोग देखते हैं. टुडे आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स पीपल एक्चुअली वॉच इट थैंक्स टू
The
so
satellite,
you know
yeah.
whatever you see on television or the social media and stuff like that. So my fondest memories were we never knew we were making such a funny film first of all, and I used to just act like what Deepak used to tell me to do, and Sunil also used to act because we were like, you know, we were just doing like a fun film,
Yeah.
but we didn't know it was going to be so funny. But जो भी कैमरा के पीछे लोग थे ना, वो हर शॉट के बाद बहुत हंसते थे और हम लोगों को पता ही नहीं चलता कि हंस क्यों रहे, क्योंकि मॉनिटर्स थे नहीं. तो जब हम लोगों ने वो फिल्म देखी और जब हम फिल्मालय में हम लोगों ने एक प्रेस ट्रायल रखा था, दैट टाइम वी यूज्ड टू हैव ट्रायल फॉर द मीडिया, एंड दैट्स व्हेन वी रियलाइज, ओ माय गॉड, ये ऐसे बनी है. क्योंकि आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्टर कि मैं डबिंग में मुझे पता चलेगा कि मैं फिल्म कैसे बनी है या कैसे दिख रही है, बिकॉज आई लाइक टू वॉच द एंटायर प्रोडक्ट विद द बैकग्राउंड एंड एवरीथिंग. तो फिल्मालय में जब हम लोगों ने ट्रायल रखा था, and the entire media was laughing and I'm like, ये actually funny है, you know, like I also.
Yeah.
And it's so good that when you go out after so many years also, you know, like people like you and so many others, they always say, ma'am, हम लोगों को आपकी गोपिकेशन बहुत अच्छी लगी. And I'm like, हाँ, thank you.
And lastly for you, ma'am, we were talking about films that have made an impact. Lutera is one film in your filmography that I'm sure you are really, really proud about, in addition to audience that has seen and loved that film. Working in a film like that, and then to see the impact of that film a decade down the line, what it does to the artist.
Yeah, I mean, it just amazes me. Every time I meet someone, the first thing they say is that we loved you in Lutera. For a film to have that kind of impact after so many years still is just phenomenal, and I'm just so proud and happy to have been a part of it. You know, it's one of the best experiences of mine while working. I was, again, this was maybe the third or fourth film that I had signed at that point of time, and a lot of people had told me, don't do this film. And I said, I went with my instinct, I went with my gut, and I said, no, whatever happens, I will do this film, and because I see myself as Paki, and that's what I did, and I'm so glad that I did, because till today I get so much love for that one character. It's just beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Perfect. So with that, we have reached the end of this conversation. कुछ
Thank
ऐसी
you.
बात जो मुझसे पूछनी रह गई हो या आप कुछ कहना चाहते हो तो आप कह सकते हैं.
नहीं, आई थिंक काफी बात कर लिया हमने. जटाधारा 7 नवंबर को रिलीज हो रही है. आपके दर्शकों को बोल दो जाके
100%.
देखें.
I'm sure they'll turn up in huge numbers.
Thank you
So on
so
that note,
much.
thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. for the
Thank
rest of the
you.
film.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.